everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And if you don't own a 13 by 9 baker, I don't know anyone who doesn't, you know the practicality. Whether you're baking cakes, whether you're doing lasagnas, the 13 by 9 is the single most requested, most used baking dish in the kitchen. Why? Because 4-quart total capacity. The fact that you have these nice depth here on the sides and the helper handles here on the sides make it so easy to take it in and out of the oven. And the 13 by 9 is that chameleon. Whether you're doing a salad in here, lasagna in here, you're baking a cake in here, everybody needs a 13 by 9 baker. Now, what's out there? Well, you'll see the metal bakers. Here's the deal with the metal bakers. You can't control the heat. When you put this in the oven, did you ever hear that buckle? Bang! That's actually the metal because it gets so hot. With stoneware, the heat actually hugs your food. So yeah, you can put this in the oven up to 500 degrees, but you can also put it in the microwave when you want to reheat. You can put it in the dishwasher when you want to clean, and of course it goes in the fridge and the freezer. Here's our harvest pattern. How stunning is this? Where you see the beautiful leaves with all those autumnal colors, the reds, the oranges, that green, the acorns peeking through, and then that gorgeous green trim that you see there. We also have it in, boom, confetti. Take a look at this one. Cobwebs, your purple bats, all of those beautiful details trimmed in that gorgeous orange with, of course, those helper handles. This one is just so stinking cute. And then brought back by popular demand is our falfetti. So if you love kind of that Italian style color palette with the reds and the yellows, and of course that cranberry, look how beautiful. We actually call this falfetti. So that can take you through all of the seasons. So as I said, whether you're baking lasagna, whether you're baking a cake, a 13 by 9 is an absolute must-have. And this one, head on over to temptations.com, pick your seasonal pattern, is under $20.